Are you looking for the best 4K camcorders? In this video we will look at some of best 4K camcorders. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is the perfect compact gimbal camera for creators who need high-quality video in a pocket-sized design. Known for its portability and ease of use, it features a 1-inch sensor that can shoot stunning 4K video at 60 FPS, delivering sharp, vibrant images with great dynamic range. Its 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures smooth stabilization, making it ideal for vloggers, travelers, and anyone who needs professional quality footage on the go. One of the standout features of the Osmo Pocket 3 is its smart shooting modes, like Active Track 5.0, which automatically follows moving subjects, and Panorama mode for wide-angle shots. The camera also supports slow motion, letting you capture dramatic 4K footage at 120 FPS, perfect for cinematic scenes. The 2-inch rotatable touchscreen makes framing and control easy, and the DJI Mimo app provides extra editing and sharing options. With its lightweight design and powerful features, the Osmo Pocket 3 allows you to capture professional videos without bulky equipment. Whether you're creating content for social media, documenting your travels, or filming cinematic shots, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a game-changer for creators who want mobility without sacrificing quality. Number 4. Canon Vixia HF G70. The Canon Vixia HF G70 camcorder is a standout option for both professional videographers and enthusiasts. Equipped with a 1-2-3 inches 4K UHD CMOS sensor, it ensures superior image quality with outstanding clarity. This model boasts a 20x optical zoom, allowing for detailed close-up shots even from a distance, and its 800x digital zoom pulls you right into the action. The camcorder also features robust image stabilization, ensuring smooth footage even when conditions are less than stable. Connectivity is a breeze with HDMI and USB ports facilitating easy live streaming, a perfect feature for vloggers and live event coverage. Additionally, the timestamp on-screen display recording is incredibly useful for documentation, making the HF G70 particularly appealing for educational and professional uses. Whether you're recording sports documentaries or family events, the Canon Vixia HF G70 provides the tools you need to capture stunning videos. Number 3. Sony FDR-AX43. Climbing to the third spot, the Sony FDR-AX43 UHD 4K Handycam camcorder is the premier choice for those who demand excellence in their video capture. This camcorder combines Sony's renowned image quality with the practicality expected of modern recording equipment. The FDR-AX43 boasts a Zeiss lens with 20x optical zoom and balanced optical steady-shot image stabilization, providing superior performance in a range of shooting environments. Its 4K UHD recording capability captures stunning, lifelike details that make footage pop, especially when viewed on 4K monitors or televisions. The camcorder's ergonomic design and intuitive controls ensure it is both comfortable and straightforward to use even for extended periods. With features like fast intelligent autofocus and built-in 5.1-channel microphone for vivid sound, the FDR-AX43 excels in delivering a professional-grade filmmaking tool in a consumer-friendly package. Number 2. Canon XA75. The Canon XA75 professional camcorder excels in delivering high-quality 4K UHD video performance. Designed specifically for versatile shooting, recording, and streaming applications, it features a powerful 15x optical zoom lens, allowing for detailed shots even from a distance, ideal for capturing events, documentaries, and live broadcasts with precision. Equipped with a 1-2.3-inch CMOS sensor, the XA75 ensures exceptional image clarity and low-light performance essential for professional videography. Enhanced connectivity options include 3G SDI and XLR terminals, providing seamless integration into professional video setups and enabling direct audio input for pristine sound recording. The camcorder's ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during extended shoots, while its intuitive interface and touchscreen display make operations straightforward for users at any skill level, whether you're capturing dynamic sports events or producing broadcast quality documentaries. The Canon XA75 stands out with its robust features and reliable performance, making it an excellent choice for professional videographers seeking versatility and exceptional video quality. Number 1. Panasonic X1500. The Panasonic X1500 4K professional camcorder sets a new standard in professional video production with its advanced features and exceptional performance capabilities. Boasting a 24x optical zoom lens and a 1 to 2.5 in MOS sensor, it delivers stunning 4K UHD video quality with vibrant colors and sharp details, ensuring every frame is captured with precision. Designed for versatility, the camcorder supports Wi-Fi HD live streaming, enabling real-time broadcasting directly from the field. Dual SD card slots offer extended recording times and backup options, crucial for uninterrupted shooting sessions. The X1500's 5-axis hybrid optical image stabilization minimizes camera shake, providing smooth footage even in challenging shooting conditions. With professional-grade features like timecode synchronization and dual XLR audio inputs, this camcorder caters to the demands of professional filmmakers and videographers. Its compact yet robust build makes it ideal for on-the-go shooting, while its intuitive controls and ergonomic design enhance usability in various production environments. For filmmakers seeking superior image quality, reliable performance, and seamless connectivity, the Panasonic X1500 is the ultimate choice, empowering creators to capture and stream high-quality content effortlessly. The Panasonic X1500 and Canon XA75 stand out as top performers in our roundup of the best 4K camcorders. Each brings unique strengths. The Panasonic X1500 sets a new standard in professional video production with its advanced features and exceptional performance capabilities, while the Canon XA75 excels in delivering high-quality 4K UHD video performance, designed specifically for versatile shooting, recording, and streaming applications. Whether for professional use or capturing family memories in high definition, these camcorders ensure top-notch video quality and user-friendly operation. Check the links in the description for more details and the best pricing available.